So it's a bit of a tradition around here to unbox the newest iPhones on the day they come out, and we're upholding this tradition this year to find one single difference versus last year's unboxings. So we've got 4 iPhones here in new colors, iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, which the boxes show the back of the phones, and then 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max, which show the front. And I'm totally going to start with the base phones, the crowd favorites this year. Finally, some colors back in the iPhone lineup. So I'm going to call this one the flagship color. This is the Ultramarine iPhone 16. And in the box, you get the USB-C cable, again, braided and high quality, and then a tiny little bit of paperwork in this pill shape. And then you'll notice, no SIM card tool, same as last year, and no stickers this year. There are no stickers included in the iPhone 16 box at all. Truly the end of an era. They just can't stop removing things. They can't help themselves. But let's get a look at the pink plus size phone too. These phones are the same sizes as last year, 6.1 inches for the base, 6.7 inches for the plus. But with the bigger batteries inside, that's something I'm really happy to hear about and